Alright guys, hope you're well. Welcome back to my channel. This is a quick fix for those of you who have had your video playhead disappear while editing videos in Canva. Please excuse any background sound as this is a work from home type scenario. Alright, so here you're editing your videos. These are some stills, some videos from a music video which I just created. You can also find that on my channel if you're into music. And so you're editing, you're playing, you're somewhere in the middle, and suddenly whoop, the playhead's gone, right? And you're like, well, where the hell did it go? And how do I get to the clips? You know, how do I play from here? Well, let's see if I click this, does it start there? Oh, it does. But how do I go into the middle of a clip and start there if the playhead's gone? So a very simple workaround I found is this button here, which says duration. You click it, and when you come here and you click anywhere in the middle, the playhead remains there. Whereas if you don't have that duration button click, you can click around here as much as you like and there's no playhead. You can only go to the start of each clip when you click them, but there's no playhead. You click duration and suddenly the playhead is back. You can find that playhead. If you're on Apple, sometimes this part zooms in and out on its own when you click duration. And no, this slider over here is simply to move it left and right. It's not to actually zoom in and out. So to zoom in and out, you use your trackpad and you do like two fingers pinched together or go wider. Basically, you know, a very normal touchscreen function nowadays in 2024. So that's the duration bit. Sometimes, and for those of you who found your solution, you can leave the video now. But for everybody else, there's also this over here where sometimes you might accidentally click it or there might be an auto function I'm not aware of, where suddenly it goes back into this picture looking mode, you know, when you edit your photos and your thumbnails and things. And you're going like, wait, this was a video. So how do I get it back into that landscape type view? You can obviously click in and play, but then, you know, it doesn't flow kind of thing. And well, I guess you could do this actually. This is not a bad idea. And then you have a playhead here as well. And then you have this view. But if you want it in that timeline view from left to right, like most video editing software, you go back here, you click this and it goes back here. And now you're back into this view. So I hope that helps you guys out. Take care and just hit like. I don't expect you to subscribe for this video. But this is not a tech channel. It's a variety channel. I do a variety of things in life. But if you enjoyed that and it helped you out, please help me back by hitting the like button. Thanks so much and enjoy the other videos popping up now and take care and have a great day and happy editing. Bye-bye.